My name is Robby Wolf. I'm 50 years old. December 8th, 2010, I went to North American Spine and had the procedure done where they rotor-rooted inside my spine there. Second best thing I ever did. First best thing I ever did is marry the best woman on this planet. I was on an airplane, 4 years ago, reading a magazine and saw an article about laser spine surgery. So I came back and started doing some research, about 2 years worth of research. Called places anywhere from Florida to California to Arizona to New York to Canada, every place. The very first phone call to North American Spine, I knew this was the place for me. I highly recommend it to people. I've already recommended it. I've sent people down there already. People call me constantly, asking me questions and giving all the answers. I was in terrible pain. I was taking probably $500 a month just in medication. Now, I take maybe 3 types of medication and cut way back on that. There's about 4 medications that I stopped taking altogether. Did about 2.5 months of physical therapy, and I joined a gym after that, and exercise and plus physical therapy, what they taught me there, and doing great, feel fantastic. Hunting, fishing, installing heating and air conditioning equipment, you name it. Working in the yard, I can do a whole lot more and not being hemmed up for 2 or 3 days afterwards. Best thing I ever did, and I highly recommend it to everybody. If you have a bad back, North American Spine is it. A little sore at first, and then physical therapy, of course, got better and better, and the physical therapist said I was way ahead of schedule, doing everything. I wasn't pushing myself, but doing everything he told me to do. I took it very serious. I did exactly what he told me to do and wouldn't push myself like I normally do, because sometimes I just go overboard. Anyway, I feel 100% better. Plus, North American Spine has a 75 to 85% success rate. Now, I'll take those odds to Vegas any day of the week. I've been poked and prodded and had all kinds of procedures done for the past 20 years, whether it's MRIs, myelograms, discograms, nerve tests, you name it, epidural facet injections. I had probably 50 or 60 of those, but it was the best medical experience I've ever had in my life. People that do call me and ask me about North American Spine, they're thinking about having it done, I tell them the same thing. Go down there, have it done. And then when I call them back or they call me back later, they say, you're right. It was the best medical experience. I feel great, wonderful. I would recommend it to anybody. It's seriously, go down there. If you have a bad back, go down there. They can fix you, especially with that 75 to 85% success rate. I want to thank everybody at North American Spine. They've all been great. From time to time I get emails. From time to time I get phone calls just to check up to see how I'm doing. They send me emails on my birthday, send me emails for Christmas and things like that. Testimonies just really don't say enough about it. I mean, it's just incredible. And if anybody is thinking about having this done, call me. Area code 405-664-2016. Ask for Robby, that's me. And I'll tell you all about it. I feel 99% better. I was like let's say a 8 to 9 pain level. Now I'm down to anywhere from a 2 to a 3, 3.5, depending on what my activity is. Again, people at North American Spine, thank you so much. You're in my will, all of you. Don't have much, but you're in my will. Hi everybody, my name is Robby Wolf. I went to North American Spine December 8th, 2010. Today I am going to set a heating and air conditioning system with a buddy of mine. So follow me. You know, 3 years ago, if I did this, I'd be hemmed up for 4 or 5 days in bed. Wouldn't be able to move.